guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going dorm shopping once again. I don't know why I'm laughing, sorry. Basically, long story short, I filmed 7 videos today. This is number 8. And I was editing my dorm decor haul, literally 10 seconds ago, editing it. I was like 90% done with editing the video. And in the video, I kept talking about how a lot of the stuff that I got, I think I'm going to return and then buy something different because it doesn't match completely. And I was like, okay, Keegan, you're being stupid. Why don't you just buy the rest of the stuff that you want to buy and then refilm the dorm haul, because half the stuff that you're going to be using won't be in the haul. So I was like, okay, literally just having a conversation with myself in my head. We are going to go to At Home and IKEA. A lot of you guys told me that I should go to At Home in the comments of my last video because I was talking about I don't know like what I should get, where I should get things from, and that was like one of the top comments of where you guys think that I should go. So we're gonna go there and then IKEA because I need some picture frames. Oh, this is not a good angle. I'm just gonna like cover that. Yeah, no, that's not working. Back to handheld. I also invited my mom because you guys really liked it when she was in my video last year. You guys adore her. Me too. She told me, she goes, can you make sure my hair isn't crazy like it was last year? It was standing straight up because I had just woken up from a nap. And I was like, okay, mom. So we're gonna go. What are you doing right now, mom? Oh wait, the lighting's so bad. Wait, let me get better lighting. What are you doing right now, mom?
I'm gonna go comb my hair because last year when we went back to school shopping, I had just woken up from a nap and my hair looked really bad.
It didn't.
It did too. There's like a big look. Go back and look. You can tell where I had been napping. It looked horrible.
I'm sure no one noticed but you. This year,
I'm gonna make sure my hair is not standing up.
Okay, my hair will stand up, so yours won't have to. I'll take one for the team. Hi, do you wanna go to college with me? Oh, look at her face. I love you. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, look at her face too. By the way, if you guys did not already know, I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I have one on my Instagram, which is going to be a gift card giveaway, and then I also have one on YouTube, so I'll have that one linked down below. You guys can win a lot of good stuff like a Steve Madden backpack, school supplies, makeup, all that stuff in the YouTube giveaway. So check both of those out. Oh, sorry. That's cute. That looks like Urban Outfitters. Do you know what Urban Outfitters is?
Yeah, I know what Urban.
You know what Urban, good for you.
I've been with you to Urban Outfitters.
When?
In California. There's one right by Brandy.
Oh, right. You're so trendy, mom. I don't think that's my style, but
I just want to see the cost.
because Urban would be like 50, I guarantee it.
15.
Oh, go to At Home, guys. I feel like this stuff would fit my dorm last year.
Look at that cool little lamp.
Ooh, I like this. It's dirty though. Oh, look at this cute little clock.
Oh, that's adorable. Can you tell time on an analog clock?
That's so rude.
Can you?
Yes.
What time does that say?
This is, oh God, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, like almost 10, 5, 10, 05, almost 10:05, right?
5, this is 10, so it's 10:10.
That's what I meant, but I said 5, it was just
do you have to count it to be able to know what time it is?
Yes.
Okay, so you can't read it instantly.
Yeah, I can read it slowly. I like the chair. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's go for throw pillows.
We're gonna say let's go throw up.
Why would I say let's go throw up? This is why they like you, mom, because you're funny. What if we get the sequin pillow? They look like a mermaid.
But they wouldn't be comfortable.
They're not practical.
No, they're not practical. They're not comfortable.
You're the highlight of my contour. That's fun. Oh, it's like a makeup theme. Look at this. I don't know what this is, but I like it.
A decoration.
I know that. Should we get me an elephant?
Do you want a chicken for your dorm room?
Yeah, put it in the cart.
See how much it is first.
No
It's
chicken?
much.
How much is the chicken?
$15. You can
For
get
a chicken?
I know, you can get a throw pillar for $15.
A throw pillar?
A throw pillar. Here's another circle thing.
You really like this circle thing.
decor. You like the other one.
Okay. Bless. Mom, we're here for pillows.
Okay, so put that down and go find some pillows. Is that what you're telling me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Buy pillows, but we don't know if they're outdoor. This is outdoor section. These are everyday cushions. I feel like this could work.
That's kind of cute.
Because, did I tell you what I was wanting? I want like white oatmeal and like peach colored pillows.
I like the
And they need to be more than just white. Because I have white pillows now, but I feel like it's kind of grayish and like greenish. I don't know.
tell in here.
I feel like I want like a lighter, like beige oatmeal. You know, like a light kind
So
of.
should we just keep this one just
Yeah,
in case?
let's keep it and let's
check
find.
the price.
Oh yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
$21.99.
Kind of a lot.
So that's a no wait.
We'll test it out. These are not pillows. This is more college stuff too, but I feel like what I'm going for is less like this, you know? I'm sorry, but like what can you fit in this? Like a Q-tip? It's so small.
These are cool.
What are these?
They're like boxes.
They look like
suitcase
toolboxes.
boxes.
Ooh, what if I need these? Oh, this is kind of cool. It's a fridge cart. You can put your fridge on top of it and put your food underneath it.
That is kind of cool. How much is that?
I don't need it. It's $60, but I just thought it was cool. And that's cool too if it wasn't gray. Still have no idea where the pillows are. I like this color more than this because you can see like the green in this, but I feel like it's way too busy.
20.
It's just like I want something like not as
So you like
much.
this?
I like this color with like that pattern. Why am I so complicated? I like the color, but is it too old lady-ish? I just don't know if I love it. Do they not have any more? We're gonna have a hard time finding pillows if I what?
If you're picky.
I wonder where I get my pickiness from.
From me.
My mom's looking for something for herself and she measured it with her arm.
Well, today I was like, ooh,
she measured. Oh my gosh.
I didn't have a tape measure, but I think that's what I want.
Then get it. It looks like the same. Are you gonna put them up?
To my arm
measuring your arm. I definitely think Joanna Gaines used this in a house. She's still measuring with her arm. We're looking at this one because it's pink and peachish.
15.
That's not bad, but I feel like I would definitely need an oatmeal if I got this because I feel like that one adds a little bit more. Oh, perfect. Look.
Oh.
That's perfect.
I like that.
Do these go together? We found the pillow jackpot, but these are huge though. Oh, this is like the eye one again. These are huge. I just want like a tiny one, but we found this is like the pillow aisle. We've been waiting for this. We're definitely getting this. We took back the other one. The other one was just too bright pink. What if we, I think the other aisle may have smaller ones because we found.
Do I go around the corner?
Yeah.
What about this?
That's the eye one, remember?
Oh,
remember?
yeah,
You were
no.
super in tune with the styles nowadays.
I'm trying my best, Keegan.
You're doing great. Doing amazing, sweetie.
We're doing amazing, sweetie.
Yeah, have you ever heard that?
No. Who says that?
What's her name? Kris Jenner?
She says you're doing amazing, sweetie.
Yeah. Oh, there's so many. Oh my god. I feel overwhelmed. This is the one that we already have. Okay. Oh, there's so many. Should I pick them up and be a good person?
That would be nice.
There's so many fluffy ones. Any like this one? I feel like it's too little kiddish because it's like shimmery. I'm very picky. I feel like I want a small peach one. Maybe I can find one online. There's one more aisle. Oh, there's multiple more aisles. Oh my gosh. Okay. I see peach down here.
What about that one right there?
Isn't that the one we already looked at? That one almost fell. Do we think that they go together? I don't.
No. And I like this one better than
I
that
like
one.
this one. We'll just find one online.
How can you tell what color it
am I
is
gonna get
online?
this back on?
You're not gonna be able to get it back up there. You did it! I'm really surprised. Good job.
I thought you were gonna say you're proud of me.
I'm really proud of you. I'm surprised and proud.
We're in the oatmeal aisle and I'm obsessed. Found this and so I was thinking that inside the peach, well, I guess they were kind of the same color. I would ideally like a smaller pillow with this color and white on it. Ooh, do we like this? Mom, do we like that? This, but like oatmeal instead of the pink. But do you like this one? This is why you don't go shopping with me. No one ever said I was the easy daughter.
Nope.
You weren't supposed to agree with that. We only got the one pillow. We were in there for so long for one pillow.
But I saw some arm tables.
You're funny.
I know.
And now we're on our way. Ooh, look at this. I love these things.
The view.
Oh,
The view.
no, I meant the little bridge things that we're on.
Oh.
The beautiful view of the valley. Isn't this a vally?
It is, but yeah.
It's a valley, right? Yeah. I just turned my seat coolers on for the first time and it feels so weird. We're going to IKEA right now. I need some stuff and my mom's gonna get some stuff too, hopefully.
A rug.
So then, oh, she's gonna get a rug, so I don't feel as guilty going here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Quite a drive.
Quite a drive. What is up with, what?
Your picture with the cat?
No, I just wanted to say what was up with it. Woo. Remember that one time you made me go into the kids section? That was kind of fun, not gonna lie.
You want to do it today? I can
Should-
let you in.
Really?
I don't think so. You're over 18 now.
Dang it. I just clicked a button and my mom says, you should show that in your video, so.
Can I push it?
Oh yeah, you do the honors. Ooh, put it back in. I think I might want a few of these for my closet to like store stuff in, but I don't know how many I want. This is now our third time in the very beginning of IKEA because we keep getting lost. Well, the first time, do you want to tell the cart story?
I said, let's get a cart. And Keegan said, no, let's not get a cart now. So then we both found stuff we wanted to buy. So I said, should we get a cart? I like those tables.
This is where I get like my distractedness about like shopping from.
Neat.
Ooh, pretty.
Wonder where-
Also, IKEA carts are the worst because they never want to go where you want them to go.
So long story short, we had to go back downstairs, get a cart, come back up here, start at the beginning. We made a wrong turn, and now we're at the beginning again. Seen that couch 8 times.
I know. We're looking for picture frames, but we cannot find them. I think that couch, I had a photo shoot. I think that was the couch on the photo shoot.
Really cute.
I know. How much is it? $800. Not that I'm getting it, but why didn't I just check right there? It's the same couch. We're in the picture frame section. We found what I'm looking for, but we're trying to see if there's anything better than what I'm looking for.
We just walked 17 miles.
Really?
I feel like it.
Oh, I was like, seriously? This is the picture frame. I want a square white one, but as you guys can see, it's kind of like raised up. If we can find one that's not raised up, that would be ideal. I want white and square. We're finding, I have that. I also have that. I have a lot of this. We're finding a lot of rectangles, but no square ones. Is this? That's a rectangle. Dang it. Is this a square? No. I'm trying to like put it back. Struggling. Thank you. It's a rectangle. I don't know if they'll have any ones that I'm looking for. I think I'll just have to go with these ones, Mom. These ones, the ones that like kind of lift up. Cause see how like it's just so far, like this would be ideal, but
Why does it have to be square?
because it looks the best square. But I don't know if these are too big. We decided to go the rectangle ones. These are 41 by 50 because this, I feel like 3 of these would just be too big. If they had like a smaller version of those, that'd be great, but we're just gonna get these ones. My mom got this rug that we don't like either. So why are we getting it?
No, I need a new rug.
I feel like the white would look better than this, right? It's gonna fall. Back, oh my gosh, I just popped my neck. Back home now, we got a lot of good stuff. Very successful trip. Very happy and proud of all the stuff that we accomplished. Why am I being weird? But yeah, it was really fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Thank you to my mom for being in this vlog. She's the best. I know that you guys love her. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.